Recently, these AI flying dragon videos have been gaining massive attention across social media platforms. They look breathtaking, cinematic, and almost unreal. But the surprising part is that they're actually very easy to make. In today's video, I'll show you how to create viral AI flying dragon videos using Edimakor. Let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply head over to the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Method 1. Create using a prompt. Step 1. Create the images. First, go to AI Image, Image Generator, then select Text to Image. Next, choose the Google Nano Banana 2 AI model. After that, paste the first text-to-image prompt from the description into the prompt box. Adjust the resolution and set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then click Generate. Step 2. Generate the videos. Now go to AI Image, My Creations. Right-click the image generated by Edimakor and select Image to Video. Edimakor offers multiple powerful AI video models, and for this tutorial, I'll be using the C-Dance model. Next, paste the first image-to-video prompt from the description into the prompt box. Then customize the duration and resolution, and finally click Generate. After a short wait, your AI flying dragon video will be ready. Method 2. Create using a template. This second method is even faster and easier. Go to AI Video, Video Templates. Inside the template library, you'll discover a huge collection of fun, cinematic, trendy, and visually impressive video templates. These templates allow you to quickly generate viral-style videos with just a few clicks. Next, find the Dragon Rider POV template and click Create. Then upload a dragon image, adjust the duration and resolution, and click Generate. After a few moments, Edimakor will automatically create an epic AI flying dragon video for you. Next, click Export to save your video. You can also directly share this awesome transition video to social media platforms from here. If you upload it with the related hashtags and successfully publish it, you can even earn bonus credits from Edimakor. With just a few simple steps, you can create incredibly cinematic flying dragon videos like these. Give it a try yourself. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.